In this video, we're still working on the sheet called Text 1, and we're going to look at using the CONCAT function. So this is the function that has been created to replace the concatenate function. Make sure you're on cell E2, click on the FX button, and pick up the CONCAT function. Now, you will probably need to go to the All category to find it, but I've got it in my most recently used category. Once you have it selected, click OK. Now we can see that it joins a list or range of text strings, and that ability to select a range is the improvement on the concatenate function. However, we need to put in a space between the first name and last name. So we'll be listing each item individually as we did in the concatenate function. So the first string we're selecting is cell A2, Michelle. Click down into the Text 2 box and press the spacebar. Click down into the third box, and again when we click away, Excel puts in the double quotes for us. For Text 3, click onto cell B2, Driscoll. That's everything, so click OK and double-click to fill handle down. So we can see that for what we're doing, the concat function works in exactly the same way as the concatenate function. In the next video, we're going to look at another new function called the text join function. And this function also has the ability to concatenate. So if you're moving on to that next video called the text join function, then you can keep this workbook open.